So this feature will allow businesses to disable online event bookings for clients, and businesses will have two options. The first option will be the client will still be able to see that there is an event, but unable to book it online. Then option two, no clients can see the event at all on any platform. So the way that we want to get there would be just going up to our app drawer, clicking on that. I'm going to go to Setup. I'm going to go to our events. Then we're going to go down. We're going to choose our event, so Ryan's test event. Then we're going to go to our advanced settings. And underneath client online booking, we can see that there is this additional option now. So if it's clicked on, we see that there are two new options at the bottom. One being event is visible to clients booking online. So if we keep that one selected and we save it, we get a confirmation that it's been saved successfully. Then we want to see what it looks like as the client. So if I sign in as the client, go to events. So it's not going to show up under available only. What the client would have to do to view this event is go to all events. And then we can see here that it says booking is disabled for that event if that option is selected. So we're back at the same event, and we're going to choose the second option to see what that looks like as well. So again, just navigating down to our advanced settings, again, clicking on disable booking online. So if we click on this option, which is event is not visible to clients booking online, we can select that. We can click save. We'll get our confirmation again. Then we'll see if that comes up as a client. So once we're signed in as the client, we're just going to go to events. We're going to go to all events. And then as you can see, Ryan's test event will no longer be visible at all because we selected that other option, which makes it not visible for any client on either the client web app, the Achieve app, or even the directory itself.